So this is my NC mill here, sort of. It's currently in bits, just took it apart now. Pretty good, I like it. I bought one of these displays for it cheap. Drives everything. Back in the day when you got the stepper motor drivers, the power supply, and 3 stepper motors for like $100. Made the other bits, actually 3D printed a bit here. One of the first things I 3D printed. It only has to hold the motor rotationally, so it's sturdy. The rest were just off the shelf brackets. Had a few trials and tribulations with this in the past. I've replaced the plastic gears in here with the all metal ones. And I've just been playing, actually I've had a lot of success with the fly cutter. Especially this one here, which I use for, it's in the wrong way, but I use that for surfacing, and it cuts really nicely. It gives you a really nice finish. But it is a very high impact loading, and the reason I've taken it apart is because we now have a pinion gear devoid of teeth. I mean, I've still got them, they're just not attached anymore. Looks like all of this stuff is still okay. So I'm not sure. I'm going to have to see if I can find one of those on AliExpress or something and get the whole lot going again. It's a fun little project. I mean, it was, when I bought it, it was $600 Australian for the mill, and I spent probably another $150 on all the other electronic bits. Actually no, this was nearly $100, so I spent probably another $250 to make it NC. And I've done a few little odds and ends with it. I really like doing it with. I actually I like using the manual pulse thing, and I tend to do a lot of my machining bits just with the manual pulser. And if I have a repetitive cut to do, I'll just write up a G code, put it on the little USB, and chuck it in. But like I said, the fly cutter is really nice for facing. I'd always been surprised how well it worked. I think what happened now is I was just running it a little bit too high in terms of RPM. Probably should have gone for the lower gear and used a bit more momentum. But anyway, so it looks like it's on the blink for a little bit. Thankfully it's not the big gear inside again, because that's a full teardown. This is just that little gear, and I'll see if I can buy one and fix it up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. When I get it going again, I'll show you what it actually machines like. I mean, you saw it the other day for the key cutter, but with the fly cutter it's actually quite impressive. I never thought it'd swing something that big. So cool, yeah, thanks for watching.